are pleased to show you the 2025 Wagoneer S. The Jeep Wagoneer S is an all-electric SUV that combines rugged Jeep design with cutting-edge electric performance. Featuring a spacious interior, advanced tech, and off-road capability, it aims to offer a versatile and eco-friendly driving experience while maintaining the brand's adventurous spirit. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.